Shanan Dhuuggoo Development Forest Investment. Nestled in the heart of a lush forest, Shanan Dhuuggoo is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This sustainable development project is not just about creating buildings, but about preserving the natural beauty of the surrounding environment. With a focus on eco-friendly practices and community engagement, Shanan Dhuuggoo is setting a new standard for development projects around the world. Preserving the forest. One of the key priorities of the Shanan Dhuuggoo Development Project is the preservation of the surrounding forest. By implementing sustainable forestry practices and protecting the biodiversity of the area, the project aims to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty of this natural habitat. Through careful planning and collaboration with environmental experts, Shanan Dhuuggoo is committed to being a responsible steward of the forest. Investing in the future. In addition to preserving the forest, Shanan Dhuuggoo is also investing in the future of the local community. By creating jobs, providing training opportunities, and supporting local businesses, the project is helping to stimulate economic growth in the area. This investment in human capital is just as important as the physical development of the project, as it ensures that the benefits of Shanan Dhuuggoo will be felt for years to come. Sustainable design. From the architecture of the buildings to the materials used in construction, sustainability is at the core of the Shanan Dhuuggoo Development Project. By incorporating green building practices and renewable energy sources, the project is reducing its environmental impact and setting an example for other developments to follow. The goal is to create a community that is not only beautiful and functional, but also environmentally responsible. Community engagement. At the heart of the Shanan Dhuuggoo project is a commitment to community engagement. By involving residents in the planning and decision-making process, the project is ensuring that their voices are heard and their needs are met. Through partnerships with local organizations and initiatives to support education and healthcare, Shanan Dhuuggoo is building a strong foundation for a thriving community. Promoting sustainability. As a model for sustainable development, Shanan Dhuuggoo is committed to promoting environmental awareness and responsible living. Through educational programs, workshops, and events, the project is inspiring residents and visitors to take action to protect the planet. By leading by example, Shanan Dhuuggoo is showing that sustainable living is not only possible but essential for the future of our planet. Creating a legacy. With its focus on preserving the forest, investing in the community, and promoting sustainability, Shanan Dhuuggoo is creating a legacy that will endure for generations to come. By setting a new standard for development projects, the project is demonstrating that it is possible to balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. As Shanan Dhuuggoo continues to evolve and grow, it will serve as a beacon of hope for a more sustainable future. Unveiling the wonders of Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest, a treasure trove of natural resources. Unveiling the wonders of Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest, a treasure trove of natural resources. Nestled in the heart of the countryside lies the beautiful Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest, a hidden gem waiting to be explored. This lush green paradise is not only a sight to behold but also a treasure trove of natural resources that have been utilized by the local community for generations. From medicinal plants to delicious honey, this forest offers a plethora of benefits that have sustained the livelihoods of the people living in the surrounding areas. Medicinal plants. One of the most valuable resources found in Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest is its abundance of medicinal plants. The forest is home to a wide variety of plant species that have been used for centuries by traditional healers to treat a myriad of ailments. From fever-reducing herbs to pain-relieving roots, the forest is a pharmacy of natural remedies waiting to be discovered. The local community has long relied on these plants for their healing properties, passing down their knowledge from generation to generation. Honey. Another prized resource found in Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest is its delicious honey. The forest is home to numerous beehives, where bees diligently collect nectar from the surrounding flora to produce golden, sweet honey. The local community has mastered the art of beekeeping, harvesting honey in a sustainable manner that ensures the continued health of the bee population. This honey not only serves as a tasty treat but also as a source of income for the community, as they sell it at local markets and fairs. Bird watching. Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest is a haven for bird enthusiasts, with its diverse range of avian species that call the forest home. From colorful parrots to majestic eagles, the forest is teeming with bird life that provides a symphony of sounds and sights for visitors to enjoy. Bird watching tours are a popular activity in the area, allowing nature lovers to spot rare and exotic species in their natural habitat. The forest's tranquil setting and abundance of birdlife make it a prime destination for bird watching enthusiasts from near and far. Animal conservation. In addition to its rich plant and bird life, Shanan Dhuuggoo Forest is also home to a variety of animal species that are vital to the ecosystem.